What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be walking you through 5 chest mistakes that you are making and how to fix them. All right, so like I said in this video, guys, I'm going to be going over 5 chest mistakes that you are making when you're doing chest exercises, particularly with dumbbells, okay? So I wanted to talk about this specifically today because I get a lot of questions. This is probably the biggest question that I get from you guys is how to get bigger arms and how to actually activate the chest more. And so a lot of the times I see people making these mistakes. It's not the exercises that they're doing are wrong, it's just that they're not doing the exercises the right way to get the most gains from them, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna walk you guys through, I'm gonna grab this set of dumbbells here, is when you first set up, you need to make sure that you're actually rolling your shoulders back, okay? So when you're right here, you should be rolling your shoulder back. You see that, just that slight little push back there on my shoulders. Basically, you're retracting your scapula there. You wanna make sure that your chest is sticking out farther than your shoulders, okay? The second mistake that I see right in this corner here is a lot of times I see guys flaring their elbows way up here. And by doing this, you're gonna be placing a lot of stress on your shoulders. So instead of coming out to the side directly here, you wanna drop your elbows at a slight angle instead and use this to actually do the chest exercise. Okay, so this you're gonna feel it a lot more in your chest instead of your shoulders back here. So just that little bit of change is gonna help you to activate your chest more, okay? The third one is going to be going too fast with the reps. So a lot of times people are just pushing these out. They know they need to get 12, so they're just getting as many as they can. Don't do that. It's better for you to do it right and to do it slow than to do it incorrect, okay? So use a weight that you can control, come up, 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up. That's a pretty good rule of thumb for doing the actual chest exercise, okay? Need a little bit of a break to come down. So the next one is gonna be using too much weight, okay? I know we all wanna use the heaviest weight. I know we want to get stronger, but we need to use a weight that you can actually control, okay? So if that means dropping your ego and doing it right, that's what it means. You're gonna help to prevent injury, and you're actually gonna get better results from using a weight that you can control versus just trying to pick up the heaviest weight possible, okay? So I only have 25 pounds here. Like, you can use 25 pounds and get good results. When it gets too easy, go to a 30. Don't go directly into a 50 or 60 like I see a lot of people do. So that's gonna be the next mistake, okay? And the final mistake is to make sure you're using the correct range of motion. Coming back to this same movement here, the weight should not just be going straight up. The good thing that you can do with a dumbbell is you can actually take the weights out to get a nice stretch on your chest, and then as you come up, you bring them in, so across the chest. And that's gonna help you to activate your chest a lot more than if you just go straight up. If you have a barbell, you're limited to only straight up, but with a dumbbell, you actually are able to bring them together more, which is going to help you to get a better contraction on the chest. So I'm gonna walk you through all 5 of those again here really quickly, just to make sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. Step number 1, come back, right here, roll your shoulders back. So just that simple movement. Step 2, elbows should be out at a slight angle. Come down, we're using a weight that we can control. Bring the reps in, just like this, bring the weights in. Squeeze at the top, come back down nice and slow. And this is what a proper dumbbell chest press is going to look like, okay? And you should feel that much more in your chest, and you're gonna get much better results out of the chest press than you otherwise would if you were making some of these mistakes. So I'd love to hear from you guys what you learned from this video. Let me know in the comments down below what mistakes you were making and what you're gonna be doing to fix these mistakes. I also have some free workout programs down in the description below. We've got a 30-day dumbbell program, a 30-day 1 dumbbell program, a 30-day Get Fit in 30, which is basically resistance bands, dumbbells, body weight, a little bit of everything. And then we've got an opportunity for coaching if that's something that you're interested in as well. Those links are down in the description, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to watch the next video coming up. I'll see you in the next one.